In this FreeCAD video, you learn how to create multiple solids from one sketch in the Part Design workbench. And yes, you will learn to solve this error. Together with this, some sketch tips will be shown. First, create a new sketch in the Part Design workbench. And select the XY plane to sketch on. Select the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle of 20 by 20 millimeters. Also draw another rectangle without dimensions. Click the right mouse button to exit the Rectangle tool. Select those three lines by just clicking on the lines. Add an equal constraint to add the same length to the selected lines. Click these two vertices and then the vertical axis. Then you can add a symmetrical constraint. Do the same with the horizontal axis. Somehow, there's a redundant constraint. To select the redundant constraint, click on the number here and press Delete to remove the constraint. One horizontal dimension is needed to fully constrain this sketch. Select the Dimension tool. Click on these two vertices and add a dimension of 40 millimeters. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. Now select the Pad feature to extrude the rectangles. Leave all settings and click on OK to apply. At the moment, multiple solids are not allowed to extrude. Click on OK and then on Cancel. Now click on the body. In the Data tab of the Property view, you can see the option Allow Compound. Click on the box to enable this. Now select the sketch and go to the Pad tool again. Click on OK to apply the extrusion, and you see the two rectangles are extruded with one Pad feature. Let's show the sketch with the two rectangles to highlight this. Double-click on the sketch to edit it, and add a circle at the center. Click on Close to exit the sketch. And you see the circle was also extruded. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.